Hello, everybody, Enchanted Moon, and welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you. I got it quite early this month. So January, I got the witch casket already. It's like the 17th or 18th. Usually I get this like towards the end. So I got our witch casket for January. So I'm excited because this is my favorite from the UK. So unique, so awesome. It's a must. All right. Now I slid it out of its packaging. And we have our witch casket. So let's see what our theme is for January. Ooh. Always have witch casket all over. And our theme is magic rituals. So our theme for January 2024, what a theme to start off with. Magic rituals. And this theme here is going to be throughout the box. Everything always matches to the T. Very nicely. So our art card, which is really cute. I love it. It's like portraying maybe a witch's home, castle, or cottage. The witch writing ritual in her magical home. Look at that. Very cool. Lots going on in here. And in the back, we can write our monthly manifestations. So I like that it has two uses. Very cool. Very cool. Okay. Next item right on top is we got a new book. This one says Book of Rituals. And look at that. It's shiny. With a pentacle. It says it on the side. And it has the witch casket logo in the back. We have black lined. We have potions, candles, cauldrons, spell bottles. And the paper says ritual name, intention, purpose, goal, magical items and tools, deities, and elements invoked, notes, outcome, day of the week, date, moon phase, ritual actions, and incantations. Very, very cool. And we also have a black ribbon to hold your spot. Their books. They're so beautiful. Nicely made. Such detail. I like that a lot. All right. Ooh. Witch casket spell candles. And like I said, the theme. Look at the magical theme. Matches. And it's black for protection, banishing, and hex breaking. Green for money, abundance, and good fortune. Purple for enlightenment, psychic ability, and spirituality. So there's 3 candles in our box. And I believe they're chimes. So let's pull them out so you guys can see. So we have 3 chime candles. Cool. Then, our spell. Witch Casket Exclusive Altar Blessing Ritual Kit. Pretty matching label. Let's see what's in our kit. Oops. Bear with me. because I don't want to rip it. All right, so we have our beautiful spell, and it's on an art card. So we have in here, it says mint, dill weed, quartz chips, and a white spell candle. So those are our herbs. We have our white candle and our chips. So everything to do our little spell is in our pouch. Then we have, next item is our pin. Oh, so pretty. This is so cool. It looks like a bubbling cauldron. A bubbling cauldron. Very pretty. Even the back is designed. Bubbling cauldron. Then we have a black sachet. And in our black sachet, we have fluorite, and we have crystal ball, and the meaning on the back. It's a nice thick card too, and we have a pretty piece of fluorite. Then we have, whoa, we have, the boxes all match. It says witch casket. And it says decorative ritual bowl. Use this decorative ritual bowl to blend your magical components together for work spell. Can be used for an offering dish as well, or a receptacle for all your small altar curiosities or crystals. Ooh, pretty. Look at the bottom. Nice. It's a metal one this time. Pretty cool design in there. Nice. Cute. I love it. Very cool. And we have another box here with the same awesome design. Witch Casket exclusive ornate wooden slice ritual tile. Their logo. And this one says ritual tiles can be used to rest your chalice when not in use, to protect your sacred altar. They can also be infused with energy and intention and used as a surface for your herbs, crystals, incense burners, or candles when used in ritual work. So let's check out this pretty guy. This one seems to be a pretty wood. Oh, wow. This is cool. I don't know if there's something's wrong with mine or not, but I'll show you guys. This is the back, pretty black. It's wood, nice. And this is mine. I don't know if this is supposed to be here or if that's damaged, but it's very pretty. I will find out. Very, look how thick. Nice. Cool. Then we also have another beautiful matching box with the stained glass on the sides. Witch Casket exclusive. This one's a little smaller. Spell casting candle holder. Exclusive candle holder always allows you to neatly and safely encircle your candles with magical herbs, crystals, amulets, and affirmations to match your desires. Ooh, what does this look? This is quite heavy. Ooh, cast iron. Bottom has the pentacle circle for protection. And we have beautiful, heavy duty. Mine's got a problem with it too. Aww. This has got a big dented missing piece here. That's not usually like them. Usually I get awesome stuff. But, and then your chime candle goes in there, and this you put your herbs and affirmations. That's pretty cool. Safe in a cast iron dish. Very nice. We have our beautiful Book of Shadows work here with their beautiful matching sticker. So we will see what this is about. Trying to get it open without ripping my beautiful Book of Shadow sheet. Okay. So it's self-empowerment ritual. Book of Shadow sheet. Color tight. Trying to get it. Here we go. So we got our beautiful Book of Shadows sheet. We have our beautiful incense, Witch Casket's Ritual Power Up incense. Like that. And it's a powerful blend of bergamot and lavender. And it has the beautiful affirmation. And how to use your incense. Affirmation is light the incense and affirm. Magical power I call to me as I will it, so mote it be. Very, very cool. Oh, and we have one more item, guys. Look at this pretty box. Magic wand. I have a beautiful wand that they made before, too. Not the same, though. The archetype magical tool used to channel and direct energy and East protective circles. Lovingly crafted with acacia wood, known for its protective qualities. Ooh, nice box. And it sits so nice in this box here. This looks so nice with our other one. I think the other one we got is a black one, but this is really pretty as well. A new addition to my wands. Very nice. Direct our energies. Nice. And it has a beautiful box to keep it safe and sound. I like that a lot. This was another awesome box. Some of the items we've gotten already, but they're different, so they're not the same at all. And I always need more than one Book of Shadows or rituals or wands. So sometimes we lose them, we pay it forward, or just need new items. So this is a great start for January. So let's see. Like I said, I love everything they've given. So, your first casket of 2024 celebrates magical rituals. We hope this casket and its contents will help you as you work your powerful magic. Absolutely do. And I love every item in it. So we're going to start off. We get the Book of Rituals, which I don't know who designs it, if they design this stuff themselves, but they design these are so beautiful. Absolutely 100% beautiful. Inscribe the magical secrets of your spells and rituals so you have record of how you performed each ritual and its outcome. Love it. The beautiful ritual bowl that we got this time. Absolutely love that one. The awesome magical wand. Very cool, and it's the box to keep it safe. The candle holder, another awesome item. You can put your herbs and stuff around. It keeps it safe. The spell candle collection and its cute little box. The beautiful altar tile. Book of Rituals. Book of Rituals. Didn't I already do that? Oh, I already did that because I read that. Joy, flip page, you know. Fluorite tumblestone. Fluorite helps cleanse, purify, and stabilize, which helps concentration, organization, and memory. It also can absorb negative energy and stress and encourage new ideas, learning, and confidence. So that's a great one. Power Up Incense, 100% natural fragrance, made with bergamot and lavender, and has its affirmation as well. Our Altar Blessing Ritual Kit. Comes with everything you need and the spell as well. The Bubbling Cauldron Enamel Pin. Our beautiful Self-Empowerment Parchment Scroll. A simple, beautiful ritual to make you realize the strength you hold. Light the candle. Stand in front of you, raise your arms, and express the power that flows. Hear me as I decree. There is a great power inside of me. I shall not be dismissed. I shall not redent. Infinite life is what I choose. I take the power of my hands and air from the land. I perfect storm my brew and vehicle. This is so cool. I love this. So it's like having another spell, guys. And another piece for your Book of Shadows. And our beautiful artwork this month with your monthly manifestations. I absolutely love it, guys. And I love the beautiful coloring and the art for this month. What's your favorite item, guys? I will leave the information about this box down below in case you guys are interested. And it also has it right there on the box for you, but I will leave it in the description below. I believe next month is Love Magic, February. Thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day.